Welcome to day 25, Mexican hat dance. If you look at the first three measures and compare them to another three measures somewhere in the music, they match identically. So when you practice smartly and surgically so that you just practice what you need to and you don't just go through the whole thing. The other thing to look at is the two accent notes that happen about every three measures. The first three are the same, and the last one, which usually gets people, is different. So if you look at these things before you start to play, you'll do a lot better. I'm going to play the melody the first time, the harmony the second time. I'll give you 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 counts of rest, and then you come in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Harmony, 1, 2, 3, 1. Thank you for joining me for day 25 Mexican Hat Dance. If you had fun playing along with this video, click the thumbs up or accent the like button, as the boys say, and have a great day.